What do? I help a man feel like a man again. Let me explain. I'm Dr. Christopher Lee. If you have urinary problems like frequent urination and nocturia, you probably need to come and see me. I help men regain the confidence and control of their daily lives, whether it's prostate health or bladder control. Many of my patients are active men who struggle with urinary symptoms, and it affects their lifestyle. The other group of patients are those who have had health screening and found to have abnormalities in their urine tests or ultrasound scans. I walk them through these findings and we find a solution together. Urinary symptoms can be caused by an array of different conditions. I always have a list of possibilities in my mind and systematically investigate the signs and symptoms until I get the right diagnosis. From there, treatment usually starts with medications, and surgery is reserved for the more severe cases. The only way to detect early prostate cancer is by PSA screening, a tumor marker specific to the prostate. Those with an elevated PSA will be further evaluated using an MRI scan and a prostate biopsy. Robotic-assisted surgery is a breakthrough in technology that allows many complicated procedures to be performed using a minimally invasive method, which could previously only be done via open surgery. With the adoption of robotic surgery in Sunway Medical Center, our patients experience less pain, faster recovery, earlier discharge from hospital, and a quicker return to normal daily life. When a patient says, "I feel like myself again," that makes it all worth it. I'm Dr. Christopher Lee, and I'm your expert in urology.